Prompt engineering for education and research is transforming how people learn, teach, and discover knowledge. By crafting effective prompts, educators and learners can turn AI into a tutor, collaborator, and research assistant, all in one. The power of this approach lies in understanding how to communicate goals clearly so the AI can provide accurate, engaging, and insightful responses. Let's start with education. Teachers can use AI as a creative teaching partner by designing prompts that guide lesson planning, content creation, and classroom discussion. For example, create a simple explanation of photosynthesis for 10-year-old students using an engaging story. By including the topic, age group, and teaching goal, the AI tailors its response for clarity and tone. You can also create interactive learning prompts. Try. Act as a math tutor, helping a student understand fractions using step-by-step examples. This transforms AI into a conversational coach that adapts explanations based on student progress. It's a powerful tool for personalized learning, something traditional classrooms often struggle to provide. Educators can generate assessment materials using AI prompts. For example, create a 10-question multiple-choice quiz about the American Revolution with one correct answer per question. You can even add difficulty levels or include explanations for each answer. This saves teachers time while maintaining accuracy and variety. For students, prompt engineering enhances learning efficiency. Instead of asking AI for answers, learners can use exploratory prompts to understand concepts deeply. For instance, explain the theory of evolution as if you're teaching it to someone who has never heard of science. This forces the AI to simplify and clarify ideas, helping the student absorb knowledge more effectively. In research, prompt engineering can streamline everything from literature reviews to data interpretation. A good research prompt starts with clarity. For example, summarize 5 recent studies on the effects of remote learning on student motivation, including their methodologies and key findings. This directs the AI to provide structured, factual summaries rather than general commentary. AI can also assist with academic writing. Prompts like write an abstract for a paper on renewable energy adoption in developing countries, or suggest ways to improve this introduction paragraph for clarity and flow, help researchers polish their work quickly. The key is to guide the AI toward improvement, not replacement, of human reasoning. For brainstorming and innovation, try prompts such as generate research questions related to the intersection of neuroscience and artificial intelligence, or suggest potential applications of generative AI in primary education. This encourages creativity while staying within academic boundaries. One of the most valuable uses of prompt engineering in education and research is critical thinking development. Teachers can ask AI to present multiple viewpoints on a topic. For example, list the pros and cons of using standardized testing as a measure of student success. Students can then analyze and debate these perspectives, turning AI into a discussion catalyst rather than a source of truth. Ethical prompting is also essential. Educators and researchers should design prompts that encourage honesty, transparency, and citation. For instance, list sources for the following information, or explain potential biases in current climate change research. These help ensure academic integrity while teaching responsible AI use. In short, prompt engineering empowers educators and researchers to do more, faster, deeper, and with greater creativity. It shifts AI from a tool that gives answers to a partner that sparks discovery. Whether you're creating a lesson plan, designing a study, or exploring a new theory, effective prompting transforms AI into an intelligent assistant that supports curiosity, learning, and innovation.